Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is about low-carb intermittent fasting. And the reason why I created this channel is for weight loss. How I lost weight safely. Second is for inspiration. I was really inspired by this kind of lifestyle and would like to inspire others as well. And third is to share information about how I did it and how it worked for me and how it might work for you as well. So I invite everyone to continue to follow and eventually subscribe for more information and insights about how this kind of lifestyle is done and maintained. So, trinay ko tong low carb intermittent fasting and nag-work naman siya sa akin kasi when I started this, in 2 weeks nag-lose ako ng weight, so mga 20 pounds. Ganon siya kabilis. So, nung una, parang skeptical pa ako, hindi ko alam kung mag-work siya. Kasi iniisip ko baka fad diet na naman ito or alam mo na baka hindi to or baka nagtatry lang magbenta ng kung ano ng products. But then, trinay ko siya, binasa kong maigi. I was following one of the vloggers. She's actually a weight loss doctor na naka-base sa Canada. So, Filipina din siya. And na-appreciate ko. Na-inspire ako kasi being a healthcare worker, parang yung mga information na ini-impart niya is my sense and parang totoo naman. So, ang ginawa ko is siguro in 1 week nag-watch lang muna ako ng mga videos niya. So, mostly doon ako kuha ng mga information about low carb intermittent fasting. So, nag-search din ako sa mga internet and then na-realize ko na effective ito kung gagawin ng tama and safely. So, after losing that much weight, so, nagkaroon din ng time na parang nag-backslide ako or na-tempt ako uling kumain ng mga foods na dapat i-avoid. Pero, all in all, madali naman ako nakakabalik kasi when I think about the reason kung bakit ginagawa ko to is na-realize ko that I have to maintain yung ganitong lifestyle. Kasi ang number one reason dito is health. Yung ma-maintain yung better health, mabuhay tayo ng matagal, ganon yung longevity. Tapos yung benefits nun is kung marami kang nararamdaman before, posible na ma-reverse yung some of the medical conditions, hindi naman lahat. And then kung hindi man, at least we can keep them at bay, yung hindi siya na-aggravate. So, ayun, so this is just to share to you kung ano yung mga ginawa ko and hopefully makakuha kayo ng inspiration and tips and you might wanna try it too. Baka maging effective din and baka ito na kasi ako nasabi ko na ito na. So for a long time sa edad ko to, ngayon ko lang nakita yung result na pwede pala akong mag-lose ng weight basta gagawin lang ng tama. Kasi before, kung ano ginagawa ko, parang nag-fluctuate lang yung weight ko. Minsan papaya, tapos bigla naman tataba. Is because sa kinakain din. And then, kulang din sa exercise. Mag-exercise and then hindi naman tinutuloy. Yun. So, hopefully, maka-impart ako ng useful information about weight loss para sa mga tao na gustong mag-lose talaga ng weight and then makakita talaga ng real results. So, ito ang aking masasuggest, yung low carb intermittent fasting. So low carb intermittent fasting, sa name pa lang niya is hindi lang diet and exercise. So may kasama siyang fasting. So, yung pagpa-fasting, I realize hindi siya basta-basta ginagawa. I mean, madali siyang gawin kung gagawin mo siya at the right time, the right moment, siguro yun yung nakapag-adjust ka na, dun mo lang siya gagawin and you will not just jump into fasting kasi hindi rin tama yung nalaman mo yung information ngayon, then suddenly decide ka, ay mag-fasting ako agad ng 3 days, which is not healthy and might not be safe. So, just like what I did, siguro, makinig lang muna tayo, and then, learn about the information kung kailan tamang gawin yun, kasi hindi rin pwedeng mag-jump tayo kaagad sa fasting nang hindi natin tinatry na mag-diet muna or iwasan yung mga foods na dapat iwasan. So, thank you for watching and hopefully makatulong to sa ating lahat. Thank you.